In this video you will learn how to set up an order, customize your designs, upload files, review and approve cases, and how to track orders. To log into your AXS account, you can use your existing Straumann eShop login credentials. If you haven't got an account yet, you can register directly online. In your AXS dashboard, you can track your orders, follow up pending tasks, and monitor your treatment sessions. Click on the Unique tab to open the Unique Service dashboard. You will find an overview of your placed orders, including the status. If you select an order, you will find all the details and files linked to the case. You can take action on your tasks directly from here, like the validation of the design proposal or add in additional data. Click Create Order to start a new case. Fill out order information like internal order reference, which is used for your internal reference, and select the case owner. You can choose between two options. First option includes design and manufacturing. The second option includes scan, design and manufacturing. If you select the second option, you need to provide your physical models. In this example, we choose design and manufacturing. Click Next to continue. Indicate all implants you want to have restored in the tooth chart. In this example, we restore 2 implants in the upper jaw and 4 implants in the lower. Specify your implants by selecting the brand connection and platform. As all the implants in this example are Straumann bone level RB implants, we can choose Apply to all sites to save time. It is also possible to select alternate brands as shown in the video. Click Next to continue. Now you will select the restorations on each implant site. We start with the upper jaw. Select the first implant and click on Define the restoration. Select Product Category, Abutments and Tie Bases. Choose one-piece customized abutment. Select the preferred customized settings. You can choose between preset settings or freeform to fully customize your design in the area of the margin, emergence profile and pressure to the tissue. Go to the top part of the settings and click the Save button to store these settings as default for the future cases. We also order the core file and additional screws in this example. Once the design proposal was approved by the customers, the core file will be available for download in the AXS portal. Click Finalize to complete your selection. If you want to use the same settings for the other abutment, click the Copy button, select the position of the other implant, click Apply Site. You can choose if the 2 abutments should be designed with a parallel insert direction or individual. Now we define the restoration for the lower jaw. Select the area of the bar restoration, click Define Restoration, select Product Category, Bars and Bridges, choose Core Bar for Cemented Zirconia Bridge. Customize your settings. Select Core File and Additional Screws. Click Finalize to continue. Once the setup is done, please accept the warranty disclaimer and click Next. If you want to order a 3D printed model, choose Yes. In this section, we will upload all the mandatory and optional files. Click Upload Share Files and select the files from your device. Once the mandatory files are uploaded, you can also provide optional files. If you are using a 3Shape Communicate account, you can directly connect it to your AXS account and load the files from there. Click Next to continue. Please check the order summary details. You can also edit your shipping address directly in this section. Accept the terms and conditions by ticking the box and click Submit your order. Our designers will provide a design proposal that needs to be validated. The task will appear in your unique and AXS dashboard. Click Take Action to start the review process. In this example, we are validating a different design, not the case that we submitted before. Click on Review to open the viewer. Hide the crown to get the best view on the abutment design. Activate the slicing tool. Rotate the slicing tool to check the abutment from all directions. Use the measuring tool to check the dimension of the abutment. You can directly place a comment for the designer if adjustments are needed. Click Next. Select your approval option and click Submit.